Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP exams. Start by creating a study schedule several months before your exam. Familiarize yourself with the specific format and content of your AP test. Knowing what to expect, like the number of multiple-choice questions versus free-response questions, helps you allocate your study time effectively. Gather all your resources, including textbooks, class notes, and a good review book, to ensure comprehensive coverage. Next, actively engage with the course material. Don't just reread notes. Instead, try to explain concepts in your own words or teach them to someone else. Regularly work through practice problems and free-response questions from past exams. This helps you apply your knowledge and understand the scoring guidelines. Pay close attention to areas where you struggle, dedicating extra time to solidify those concepts. As the exam approaches, it's crucial to simulate the actual testing experience. Take several full-length practice exams under timed conditions, just as you would on exam day. Find a quiet space, set a timer, and avoid distractions. This builds stamina and helps you manage your time effectively. After each practice test, meticulously review your answers, understanding why you got certain questions wrong and how to improve. In the final days leading up to the exam, shift your focus to a quick review of high-yield topics and formulas. Avoid cramming new information. Equally important is prioritizing your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep, eat nutritious meals, and manage any stress. Trust in the hard work you've put in over the past months. Approach the exam calmly and confidently, knowing you've prepared thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.